Does anyone have any recipes for seabirds? I caught one kayak fishing. Alright, I'm just kidding, just kidding. This was a safe catch photo and release. I was kayak fishing and I was trolling a mackerel behind me with a bobber rig to keep it from hitting the seaweed at the bottom of the ocean. It was actually floating below the surface of the ocean, but this seabird swam underneath the water and grabbed my mackerel. And unfortunately, the hook got stuck in its beak. So I had to deal with it. The first thing I did was to wear my sunglasses. I was afraid that it would come at me and try to attack me with its beak and puncture my eyes out.
Let go.
If anyone has any tips on what to do when you catch a seabird, I'd really appreciate
buddy.
it. 'Cause I was just going by the fly here. Anyways, I was reeling it in slowly, and you can see here that the bird's got the mackerel in its beak. I was hoping that it would let go and just swim or fly away, but I could tell that my hook was caught in its beak. So I grabbed the bird by the back of its head. I was actually surprised how warm the bird felt, because this was a cold and foggy day actually. And you can see here that the mackerel, which is now dead, was stuck in between the beak and the circle hook. Anyways, this was a safe catch photo and release. I plucked out the hook and released the bird. If anyone can help me identify what kind of bird that was, I'd love to hear them in the comments. And also, if you have any tips on what to do to prevent catching seabirds like that, I'd love to hear those in the comments too as well. But you never know what happens kayak fishing. It's always an adventure. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please click like, comment, or subscribe. And I've got other kayak fishing videos on my kayak fishing playlist. Check them out. It's my fishing playlist. Thanks and have a great day.
That's a good deed of the day.